guys, I'm Francois from Production Music Live, and today I quickly take a look into Repro 5 here from U-He, same company that also produces Diva, and this is a emulation for the Prophet. And we actually have a new preset pack provided by Tim Engelhardt for Production Music Live. And I wanted to replace a couple of sounds in this Ableton project here that were done with Serum and Diva, and replace them with some sounds from Repro and see what it sounds like. But before doing that, I quickly want to show you this bass patch here, Bass Voyaging. Because it sounds great. Wow. So that's a really great sound. Not necessarily for the track I want to work with here, but what a sound. Anyways, let's take a look at the track, and we have this area selected here, and Wonder Pad is currently played by Diva. Super nice pad, but I'm going to duplicate it, and let's try to play a pad sound from Repro 5 and see what we can come up with here from those presets. And so we have bass presets, we have effects and keys and pads and a bit more softened. Mod wheel sort of is the pulse wave depth. Okay, that's a nice patch already right there. How about what's the filter doing? Cool. What does it sound like if you're just playing this one instead of this one? Yeah, it's kind of nice, but it's not really what I would put into this track. Let's see what else we have. Majestic pads. Okay, we quickly want to pick up a pitch. Okay, that one sounds nice. What about Lush? Also nice. Papaya. Resonance games. Okay, that's for a different type of sound. Scattered reality, what's that? Solaris. That's one for the upper harmonics. Time warping. Washing all the bits away. Also nice. Born here. Heaven. So Majestic, what is this one? There was one that was working with this track. Which one was it? Papaya? Okay, let's take the lead sound and try to come up with something here. What do we have? Okay, and let's load up another instance of Repro instead of Serum here. And again, take a look at the presets. And I'm going to, keys. Let's see snowflakes. Taking off this reverb here and this warm-up lows. And other than that, we only have a sidechain and a utility. What's Classic Prophecies? Oh yeah, that's a nice dry sound. E piano with a twist. Yeah, nice vibrato. In context. Okay, let's look for. Oh, we also have synth sounds here. What's this? What's 1973? We need something that stands out. Tail lead. Okay, that that one stands out. Interesting. Tail lead 2. Octave lower. Tail lead 3. Higher. Uranus. Rain pluck. Yeah. Okay, that's I right there I'm thinking of a Victor Ruiz track. Shaken. Wash. So this tail lead sounds very interesting. What's bedding? Lower. Oh, nice. Okay, I have this plug thing, which I call Plock, And let's see if we can find something in the bass region that we can put in here. Octave higher. Wow. Okay, that's a great sound. Let's put off the send reverb here. And what do you have here? Let's take this stuff off. That's okay. So what can we do here? This also works as a lead, like a lead sound. Could work like one. I think that's true for many bass sounds. Great. Slightly detuned atmospheric bass or lead reminiscent of a Minimoog almost. Okay. I mean, if you don't want these effects, you can always take off this drench thing and the Lyrebird. Mystic 2. Ah, nice. Well, this also works as a lead sound. If I'm... let's just copy this here quickly and put it up here just for fun. Yeah. It sounded like... phased. Okay, we need to go higher. Yeah, we need a shorter sound here. Stacks. Okay. Okay. Which one is best used for this plock thing? Yeah, let's use stacks. Or stacks synced. And let's quickly go through a couple of other sounds that we haven't looked at yet, maybe in the area of the keys and vision. And Plug Dreams. Keys pretty. Slipping away. Slowly. Small plug. Stabbed. Synced. Wave. Yeah, and we went through some pads. We also have plugs like perks like Noise Tool, Rimshot, White Shake. So these types of sounds, we went through the synth as well. So if you're interested, I'm putting a link in the description to this pack so you can check it out as well. It's definitely a super powerful synth. And sometimes I feel like in terms of leads and stuff like that, you're getting some very interesting sounds very quickly compared to Diva, especially like this type of sound here. Wow, what a nice sound. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this little walkthrough session here. Leave a like and a comment. Comment below what you find interesting about U-He Repro or what you want to see. Subscribe to this channel if you feel like doing that, and I hope to see you next time.